Hello, in this tutorial, I will show you how to set up Mollie payment integration with Bitform. Let's begin. First, go to the App Settings section and click on Payments. Now select Mollie. You can change the integration name to your own preference. To set up Mollie payment integration, you will need your Mollie API key. Then navigate to the Mollie Developer dashboard and click on the More option in the menu. For this tutorial, we are using test mode for testing purposes. To use this feature in your project, you will need to disable the test mode and switch to live data for processing real payments. Then select Developers. There are two types of API keys, Live API Key and Test API Key. Now copy the Test API Key and get back to the Payment section and paste it into the API Key field. Then click on the Save button. Now you see a newly created Mollie Payment Gateway here. Now let's show you how to connect your newly created Mollie Payment Gateway with the online payment method. First, go to the Mollie Developer dashboard. Click on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen, then choose Settings from the drop-down menu. Click on Payments on the left side menu. To add your cards for online payments, simply click the plus icon, then click on Activate button. Then get back to the Bitform dashboard and click on your form name. Here search for Mollie. Drag and drop the Mollie payment field from the right sidebar into the form builder. We don't need a submit button because the document will be submitted automatically when you click the pay button. So remove the submit button, then navigate to the Mollie field settings section. Now select your Mollie account. Choose the redirect URL page where you want to redirect the user after a successful payment. So first create a new page and copy this shortcode. Paste the shortcode here, then publish it. Copy this URL and paste it into the page URL field in the Bitform builder. You can customize your pay button text to your preference. By default, the credit card option is selected. You can choose a different payment method or add multiple options to your account. Mollie has all possible currencies, and you can select any currency at any time from Mollie settings. There are two types of amount options available. One is fixed amount and the other is dynamic amount. Let's show you how the fixed amount works. First, select the fixed amount type. Please give a fixed amount here. You can add a description here. You can also use Bitform field keys and smart tags. Now I have added my description using smart tags and field keys. You can change the language of Mollie from here. By enabling this option, you can create a full width button. You can also set the text alignment. Then click on the Update button. Now I will show you how to make payment in Mollie. Now click on the Pay button. Your payment has been completed successfully. Your transaction ID will be displayed here. Then navigate to the Mollie Developer dashboard and click on Payments option from the menu. Here, you will find your payment date and time, contact name, and contact email. Now I will show you how to use the dynamic payment option of the Mollie payment field in Bitform. So first return to the Bitform builder and choose the Mollie payment field. Then select Dynamic option. The dynamic option only works with the number field, radio button, drop-down list, etc. This feature allows the user to input any amount dynamically. If you don't have a number field for the dynamic amount type, please input it. Now, drag and drop the number field from the left-hand sidebar. Then navigate to the number field settings. Change the label of this field and hide the placeholder of this field. Now select the amount field. Then click on the Update button. Let's pay the dynamic amount. Now click on the Pay button. Your payment has been completed successfully. Your transaction ID will be displayed here. Then navigate to the Mollie Developer Dashboard and click on Payments option from the menu. Here, you will find your payment date and time, contact name, and contact email. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.